Hey you guys, so today I'll be showing you how to get a rod set look with a twist out in 45 minutes. Yes, I said it, 45 minutes. As you can see, I'm using the Pomegranate Honey Curl Defining Mousse by Nyasia on my client's set today. So the secret to a perfect twist out is all in the sectioning because it will determine how the hair falls once it's dry. Now each section you want to make sure that it's saturated with product, and you also want to make sure that the hair is fully detangled. Okay, so when you're twisting your first section, you definitely want to make sure that you're twisting in the direction that you want the hair to fall. And in this case, my client wanted her hair to fall towards her face. Also, I like to twist on dried hair, one, because it comes out neater, and two, it cuts down the drying time. Okay, so now that I'm done flat twisting it all the way down, I'm not going to twist the ends. I'm going to apply the rod sets onto the ends so that it gives it that rod set look. This is the part that I love the most, is taking out the rods. Now that her hair is dry, as you can see, her ends are super spirally, just how I like it. Okay, so the rods are out, and now I'm gonna officially take them out and start separating them. I just want to give you a turn so you fully see the twist and the spirally ends. Okay, so when opening up a twist out, you definitely want to use oil, and in this case I used the Mint Almond Oil by Nyasia. This was actually my first time trying out the curl defining mousse, and I must say I love it. One thing about this product, it definitely gave definition and a lot of volume to this twist out. Not only that, it's super shiny and the hair feels so soft. Even with the hair feeling soft, the mousse definitely gives that whole factor to this style. Another tip, a twist out would not be a twist out unless the edges is laid, okay? And in this case, I used the Nyasia Rosemary Mint Edge Control. Now that the edges is laid, I'm just fluffing out the hair. Get into this volume though. Do you see these curls? And there you have it, guys, a twist out that looks like a rod set in 45 minutes. And please like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more hair tutorials.